Hello students, welcome you once again. In the previous class, I have taught you how to write names of the complex compounds following IUPAC rules. Okay, in this class, I am giving you 10 questions. So what you do, I am giving you the question as well as the options. So I am not giving any answer for these questions. You please test your knowledge on your own. After writing down the answers, you correct your own answer sheet and check your knowledge. Okay. Question number 1. The given complex here is CONO2 NH3 5 Cl2. Options for you: nitrito, N pentamine, cobalt 3 chloride. Option B, nitrito, N pentamine, cobalt 2 chloride. C, pentamine, nitrito, N cobalt 2 chloride. And D, pentamine, nitrito, N cobalt 3 chloride. Okay. Next, second complex, K2NiCN4. Options: potassium tetracyanonickelate 2, B, potassium tetracyanonickelate 2, C, potassium tetracyanonyl 3, and D, potassium tetracyanate nickel 2. Complex 3, CONH3 4 times Cl2Cl. Options: dichloro tetraamine cobalt 3 chloride. Option B, tetraamine dichloro cobalt 3 chloride. C, tetraamine dichloro cobalt 2 chloride. And D, tetraamine dichloro cobalt 4 chloride. Complex 4, FeF4H2O taken twice and the complex has negative charge. Options: A, diaqua tetrafluoroion 3 ion. B, diaqua tetrafluoridoferrate 3 ion. Option C, diaqua tetrafluoroion 1 ion. D, diaqua tetrafluoride ferrate 1 ion. Complex 5, NiCl4 minus 2. Options for this complex ion: A, tetrachloronickelate 2 ion. B, tetrachloronickelate 1 ion. Option C, tetrachloronickelate 3 ion. D, tetrachloronickelate 4 ion. These are the options. Next, complex number 6, Na2SiF6. Options: sodium hexafluoride silicate 3. Options: B, sodium hexafluorosilicate 2. Option C, sodium hexafluoride silicate 4. Option D, sodium hexafluoride silicate 1. Complex 7, KBF4. The options for this complex: potassium tetrafluoridoborate 1. Option B, potassium tetrafluoridoborate 2. Option C, potassium tetrafluoridoborate 4. Option D, potassium tetrafluoridoborate 3. So carefully calculate the oxidation state also. Complex number 8, KCOCnCO2NO. Options: A, potassium dicarbonyl cyanonitrosyl cobaltate 1. Option B, potassium dicarbonyl cyanonitrosyl cobaltate 2. Option C, potassium dicarbonyl cyanonitrosyl cobaltate 0. Option D, potassium dicarbonyl cyanonitrosyl cobaltate 3. Okay. Complex 9, COEN taken thrice plus 3. A. Tris-ethylene diamine cobalt 3. Option B. Tris-ethylene diamine cobalt 2. C. Tris-ethylene diamine cobalt 4. D. Tris-ethylene diamine cobalt 1. Okay, students, complex 10. CrClH2O, En taken twice, plus 2. Options A. Aqua chloro bis ethylene diamine chromium 3. B. Aqua chloro bis ethylene diamine chromium 2. C. Aqua chloro bis ethylene diamine chromium 4. D. Aqua chloro bis ethylene diamine chromium 1. Okay, students. So these are the 10 complexes I have given you to test your knowledge on your own. Okay. So what you do, you watch the previous videos. So what are the rules of the IUPAC in naming coordination compounds, and please check all the examples which I have given you in detail. Then try to answer these questions. Okay. So I think you will enjoy all these questions and try to write the names of these complexes. Okay, students, meet you in the next class. Thank you.